Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, find the value of A and B from the following summation. And we have given AB plus 25 equals to 10A. Suppose A equals to 8. So that 8 plus 2 is 10. And B equals to 3, so that 3 plus 5 is 8. Here we can verify. A is 8. Okay, and we suppose that B is 3 plus this 25. So 5 plus 3 is 8 and 8 plus 2 is 10. So it is 108. So our assumptions are correct. Hence, A equals to 8 and B equals to 3.